Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. In today's video we are going to do some technical analysis on Cardano ADA. We are going to check some news, this kind of exposure from Samsung to Cardano. We are going to check this news that involves verified global restoration projects company Virtree. We are going to see more news about Cardano on what is happening in the ecosystem, the centralized exchange, lending, and more. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, first of all, I'm going to do a little bit of TA on ADA. You can see this clear chart. This is the weekly chart ADA against USDT. I just put a couple of lines of support and resistance just to give you a big picture. From October, September 2020 to February 2021, we did this rally from 10 cents to $1. And from there, for February 2021, we created higher highs here, higher highs and higher lows. And from there, this is the 30th of August, we have been in a downtrend. So the downtrend started here, changing the sense of the market. And from there, we now at $1.32. We come back the last weeks to the same levels that we held support and resistance previously on all 2021. You can see here February resistance, all these weeks and body candles resistance. Then we broke this, we tested a support here, here and here. And then we come back a couple of times here in this downtrend on June and July. We held it as support, broke it and recovered very quickly just in 3 weeks. And then from August, we never come back to these levels until November. So from November, we are around these same levels of support. So this rectangle, you can see how big importance has in the chart of ADA against USDT. So for now, even if Bitcoin is bearish right now at $46,000, if we don't go too much down in Bitcoin, then I think we are going to hold these lines of support, this rectangle. So between $1.18 to $1.30, which is where we are right now. So inside this box, it will be a good first entry price action to buy some ADA. That is in case we don't go lower on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks and goes to $42,000, then most likely we are going to see some downtrend from this rectangle to this other rectangle. This other rectangle is from 90 cents to $1.05. You have 15 cents here inside this rectangle, and you can see how this was also support and support in all this downtrend. All this week came inside this rectangle. This rectangle, I have it here from this time, so it's not something new that I added. So this will be a very nice entry price also for a long position or for buy spot some ADA. So like I mentioned in a previous video on how I was buying ADA at that moment, you can see the video here. I have buy orders placed from $1.19 all the way to 90 cents. All this is my area to buy ADA right now. In that video, I bought some ADA at $1.19, but I already sell it and took some profit on that. We only hit that briefly here in this week, but then we recovered and I sold that position. So I am waiting to see what Bitcoin does and maybe buy some another bag of ADA between $1.19 again and 90 cents. I will place a couple of buy orders all the way down until here. If we enter into a bear market, then we can see lower price below 90, but that will be really catastrophic for ADA. The next line of support is at almost 40 cents. We don't have much trade action here below this rectangle, so that will be a little catastrophic if we break this support. But from $1.19 again to 90 cents, I think those are the levels to enter some positions. In terms of the downtrend, we already are actually at the moment 57% down. We hit here 60%. So we are really down from the all-time high of $3 So the market needs to turn really bearish in order to ADA break the 90 cents below, but with some downtrend again in Bitcoin to the $40,000, then we can see the ADA price entering into these rectangles again. Moving into some news, this is super bullish. Samsung, the tech giant, will now have exposure to Cardano. This is not a concrete partnership between Samsung and Cardano, so it's not so that hype, but actually this kind of exposure is really good for the Cardano project. Its recent partnership with blockchain planting management system Berry3, according to a tweet posted by Cardano Foundation's Sidney Ballmer. The partnership was announced during the annual Consumer Electronics Show held in Las Vegas. And you can see here the post from the Cardano community also, another great initiative powered by the Cardano blockchain, Samsung US, to plant 2 million trees in Madagascar by the end of the first quarter of 2022, in partnership with Berry3, a Cardano blockchain-based climate solution platform. So this is a very good partner for Berry3, which means that this kind of gives exposure from Samsung US into Cardano. If you want to make money while you're holding your crypto, then I recommend you to use an automation platform. This is Bitsgap.com, where you can trade with bots automatically while you're holding your crypto. I did 2 videos 2 months ago on how to configure Bitsgap and how to configure everything for your bots. So in that video, I explained in almost 30 minutes how to configure each thing of the platform, and with this video you will be able to start trading with the bot 24 hours. Even if you are sleeping, you will be making money with this, and this works really good also in the downtrend. So right now it's a very good opportunity to use this platform. If you go and register with my affiliate link, you help the channel, but you also get 2 weeks free of this platform with a premium account. The premium account costs $150, so you will have it free for 2 weeks, so you can test it and see how it works. Berry3 is not a big project. You can see here 1,000 followers only, but the website is really smooth, and it's all for the global restoration project, so it's really cool. Another big news of yesterday is that Cardano, its first usable DeFi application, amassed 1 million in total value locked in 2 days. The first usable decentralized finance application on the Cardano ecosystem has launched after conducting under the radar offering. The network's first DeFi platform, Uniswap, now has over 1 million in total value locked. Actually, this is the first decentralized exchange launched in Cardano also, and you can see here in DeFi Llama that Uniswap, Milk is the token, already has $1,300,000 in total value lock, TVL. So this is great, starting to see some Cardano projects amassing TVL over the ecosystems. In another news, Review token, the first Cardano native asset, is listed on KuCoin and Gate.io. So this is also super important because now we are already from the launch of Alonso. We can have native tokens on the Cardano blockchain, but there were not many exchanges, even centralized exchanges, where you can get your native tokens of Cardano blockchain. Now KuCoin and Gate.io, very familiar centralized exchanges, are enabling the tokens of Cardano blockchain. So Review 2 manage the subscriptions of the first mobile wallet and ICO on Cardano. All retail investors can buy Review on KuCoin and Gate.io starting Friday, January 7. So more than 300 people around the world have registered with the app since August. And blockchain startup Review token has become the first ever Cardano native asset to be listed on KuCoin and Gate.io. Tier 1 centralized exchanges invest learned from a press release. Review 2 managed the subscription of the first mobile wallet and ICO on Cardano. Moving into another news, we also have news from SundaeSwap. They already, like you know, the 6th of December, they went live on the Cardano's public net. 28th of December, SundaeSwap finally announced the completion of its security audit. So they are very near to launch the decentralized exchange. We also are very bullish on ADAX, which will launch the decentralized exchange at the end of January. So that is also in the news. And Ravendex is also working on a decentralized exchange platform. I invested already in those two projects, and I will enter into SundaySwap also. In another news, ADA DApp goes live on Cardano Cube, and here's what this means. ADA is one of the first protocols that earns Cardano smart contracts for decentralized lending and borrowing operations, has scored a partnership with Cardano Cube data platform. According to the official announcement shared by the team of ADA, its application is now listed by Cardano Cube, a platform that tracks the performance and key metrics of the centralized applications launched on Cardano's proof-of-stake network. So this is great. More adoption for Cardano DApps and ecosystem. Cardano blockchain registers highest development activity for 2021. The Cardano blockchain network has witnessed some major development activity over the last year, and so Cardano native's cryptocurrency ADA has also participated majorly in the altcoin market rally of 2021. The latest report from Sentiment shows that the Cardano blockchain witnessed the highest development activity in 2021. Citing data from GitHub, Cardano witnessed a total of 140,000 events in the last year. So you can see here at CryptoRank platform the information about that. If you check this image, you can see the most development cryptos on GitHub in 2021. First of all, Cardano, like the news say, then Kusama and Polkadot, then Ethereum, Gnosis, Solana, Status, IOTA, etc. So guys, these are all the news just in last 1-2 days for Cardano. So the ecosystem is continually growing, and 2022 it will also great for Cardano. And in terms of entry and price actions, I already mentioned here where to go. And in a lower time frame, this is a 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have this line of support. So if we go below this will be also a possible entry for a short position, maybe with some leverage, because it's the same that I mentioned here. We are going to break this upper line of the rectangle and enter into this price action, and from $1.30 you can go to $1.18 very quickly. So this could be also a short position possibility. I am not doing those trades. I prefer to spot here and put some buy orders when we recover this downtrend. That will be all the news and analysis for Cardano, guys. Remember, before believe, like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.